Next question. Find the equation of the locus of a point. The differences of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. So here we don't know the point. So let us consider that a point P. The distances from these 2 points. So let us consider this point A, this point B. So then the distances are, one is PA, another one PB. The difference is equal to 8. So which one is bigger? PA or PB? We don't know. PA or PB is big. Which one is bigger? So that's why I am taking simply mod of PA minus PB equal to 8. First, let Px comma y be the point of locus. Be the point of locus. Given points I am taking, one is A, another one B. A minus 5 comma 0, B 5 comma 0. Also given that mod of PA minus PB equal to 8. Actually this is the difference given. Difference we should take positive quantity. So which one bigger? We don't know. So that's why I am taking mod of PA minus PB equal to 8. Similar to the previous, I am taking removing modulus PA minus PB equal to plus or minus 8. PA minus PB equal to. Now bringing this minus PB outside, PA equal to PB plus or minus 8. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, PA square equal to PB plus or minus 8 whole square. PA square equal to A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. A plus or minus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB one time. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2AB done, one time plus, one time minus. A square plus B square always positive. So PB square, 8 square 64. So if it is plus 2AB plus minus 2AB minus plus or minus 2 into 8, 16 PB. Now PA square, I want to write PA square as well as PB square. So this point x2 y2, this point x1 y1. X minus of minus 5, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 y square equal to x2 y2, x1 y1. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 equal to y square plus 64 of 64 plus or minus. So PB, actually it is in the square root. I don't want to write. Later I want to write 16 PB. PB write as it is. No need to substitute the formula. Okay. Both sides y square getting cancelled. X square plus a plus b whole square 25 plus 2 into 5 10x equal to a minus b whole square x square plus 25 2 into 5 10 minus 10x plus 64 plus or minus 16 PB. Both sides x square cancel. Both sides 25 cancel. Now I want to bring this minus 10x minus plus 64 left side. 10x plus 10x minus 64 equal to plus or minus 16 PB. So I want to write the right side first. Plus or minus 16 PB equal to 10x plus 10x 20x minus 64. So next plus or minus 16 PB equal to, I want to take 4 into 5, 4 into 16, 4 common, 5x, 4 into 5, 20x, 4 into 16, 64. So 4 into 1, 4 into 4, plus or minus 4 PB equal to 5x minus 16. Now again I want to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So square of positive, positive, square of negative is also positive. If we are squaring this one, plus or minus will become only plus. 4 square 16 PB square equal to 5x minus 16 whole square. Next 16 of PB square. Again PB x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 equal to y square equal to a minus b whole square. 5x whole square plus 16 whole square minus 2 into 5x into 16. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 16 of a minus b whole square again. X square 5 square 25. 2 into 5 10 minus 10x plus y square equal to 5 square 25 x square 16 square 16 into 16 256. Next 2 into 5 10 10 into 16 160 x minus 160 x. Now I want to multiply 16 into x square 16 x square 16 into 25 equal to 400. 16 into minus 10x minus 160x. 16 into y square 16y square equal to 25x square plus 256 minus 160x. So both sides minus 160x getting cancelled. So 16x square plus 16y square plus 400 equal to 25x square plus 256. So these two terms 16x square 16y square bringing this side 256 bringing this side 400 minus 256 equal 25x square. This bringing outside minus 16x square minus 16y square. 25x square minus 16x square equal to 9x square minus 16y square equal to 400 minus 256 equal to 144. So this is the required locus. Model. Find the locus of point P if A 4 comma 0, B minus 4 comma 0 and PA mod PA minus PB equal to 4. So we don't know the point P. According to point P, A, B are 2 points. This condition satisfying. According to the geometrical condition, we need one algebraic equation. So that is locus. We need to find out the locus. Solution. First, given A 4 comma 0, B minus 4 comma 0 and let P x comma y be the point of locus. I will write the distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, given condition mod PA minus PB equal to mod equal to 4. Mod of PA minus PB equal to 4. If we are removing this modulus, PA minus PB equal to plus or minus 4. So, modulus value is positive. Within the bracket, within the mod, either this is plus 4, we will get 4. Either it is minus 4, we will get plus 4. So, since modulus positive, within the bracket either it is positive or negative, the result will be 4. If we are taking this is plus 4, the result is 4. If we are taking it is minus 4, even though the result is 4. That's why within the mod, this value is either plus or minus 4. Now I want to bring this PB outside. PA equal to PB plus or minus 4. Squaring on both sides. I want to square on both sides. PA square equal to PB plus or minus 4 whole square. Now PB plus or minus 4 whole square. PA square equal to A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So here A square is common. 4 square is also same. If it is A plus B whole square, plus 2AB will come. If it is A minus B whole square, minus 2AB will come. So plus or minus 2AB, 2 into 4, 8 PB. So PA square, PA is nothing but this is a point X, x2 y2, this is x1 y1 I am taking. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 equal to y square. Next pb square, pb square, x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, y square plus 4 square equal to 16. So actually pb is square root, distance is square root. Since it is a square, so the root will be removed, but it is not a square. So simply I want to keep as it is, 8 plus or minus 8 pb. So both sides y square getting cancelled. So a minus b whole square, x square plus 4 square equal to 16 minus 2ab, 2 into 4 minus 8x equal to x square plus 16, 4 square 16, 2 into 4, 8x plus 16 plus or minus 8 pb. So both sides x square cancel, 16 cancel. Now I want to bring this minus 8x this side, this plus or minus 8 pb this side. So plus or minus 8 pb this side. If it is plus, minus, minus, plus, minus or plus 8 pb. Minus or plus is nothing but it is also plus or minus. Bringing this one left side equal to 8x plus 16 plus 8x. Now minus or plus is nothing but plus or minus. 8 pb equal to 8x plus 8x, 16x plus 16. So plus or minus 8 pb equal to 16 common, x plus 1. So 8 into 1, 8 into 2. So plus or minus pb equal to 2 of x plus 1. Now squaring on both sides again. If we square on both sides, so square of positive, positive, square of negative is also positive. So plus or minus will be terminated. So pb square equal to 2 square for x plus 1 whole square. What is pb square? So this is point P, this is B. X plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, y square equal to 4 of x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 square 1, 2 into 1, 2 x. Now x square, x, a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 4 square equal to 16 plus 2 into 4, 8x plus y square equal to 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2x, 8x. So both sides 8x getting cancelled. X square plus 16 plus y square. So this 16 keeping here, 4 bringing left side, x square and bringing y square bringing outside. 16 minus 4 equal to 4x square minus x square minus y square. 4x is, I am writing right side. 4x square minus x square, 3x square minus y square. 16 minus 4 equal to 12. So this is the required locus.